it's Josh Gaming and welcome back to my NewTuber Advice series. And this is part 6, and today we are going to be talking about monetization. So, I have talked about this before in an old video. So I kind of know what to talk about. Now, it's a bit tough, but I'm going to try and go through as much as I can. Now, monetization, it's kind of like updated over the years, but since I've had my channel for 9 years, I do not monetize, because I've only got 1,000 subscribers, and I don't make money. As I said, I just do my channel for fun. I don't do it to make money or anything like that. Now, this is like a personal opinion, really, because a lot of people do monetize and a lot of people don't monetize. So if people have got like 1 million subscribers, or sort of like 0.5% of subscribers, then they will monetize because they will make money out of them, and you put certain adverts in between your videos. On the other side, if people don't monetize, then they won't get adverts and they won't receive any money from their providers. I might monetize in the future when my channel gets bigger, but at the moment I'm still a very small channel, and in my personal opinion at the moment, I just don't think it's the right time for me to monetize at the moment. But literally, the fact is with monetization is it's basically the money side of the situation. I think the best way is to probably not do it rather than doing it. But I've said already that I will do it in the future, but just not at the moment. And I did actually try monetizing quite a while ago. By making a AdSense account. I don't know whether they still call it that. I don't know. But yeah, I did try making one of them. And for some reason, it didn't work. It failed. And then in the end, I had to stick with no adverts on my videos, because it just didn't work. So it's a bit difficult to talk about, but it has updated over the years, and the money side of things has sort of gone up now with it. So I dare you to advise, guys, if you have a very small channel with less subscribers, so I'm talking probably over 100 subscribers or even less than that, I wouldn't monetize, because it's not worth it and you only have a small channel. And I probably won't get any hate on this video anyway. But I just don't think it's worth it when you are a small channel, because you're not getting as much out of it, by the way. Like with people that have got like millions and millions of subscribers, then fair enough, they've got it, by the way. They've got like loads and loads of dollars in their balance and stuff. But I think for me, it's just not worth it when you're a small channel. because you're not getting much out of it. Now, this is, as I said, just my personal opinion. And if you want to monetize for a small channel, then fair enough, go ahead. But this is just my advice to any NewTubers who have just started their channels and who are doing videos at the moment and doing videos, series, or whatever they're doing. If they want to monetize on their channels, then there you go. If you want to do it. So there we go. I'm not gonna make this one too long because I don't really have a lot to say. But I've already said already that I am going to monetize in the future. But at the moment, I'm gonna wait until I've got a lot more subscribers. So I'm probably talking 10,000, or maybe even more than that. Maybe 20,000 subscribers, 30,000 subscribers. I don't really know, but I think when I sort of get to that stage of things, I think that's when I'll probably monetize. But at the moment, I'm just doing my channel for fun, and I'm getting my money somewhere else at the moment, so I don't even need to bother with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video here because I've got pretty much nothing else to say. So that was me just going over the monetization. Yeah, this was just like a personal video, this one. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, just go free, whatever you guys are doing, and that, and let me know. So yeah, yeah. So that was my video. So in the next one, we're going to talk about something serious again. So make sure to stay around for that. Yeah, the next one is a bit of a tough one that we're talking about next. It's kind of something that I've not really talked about before. So I'm hoping it's going to go well. If it doesn't, then it won't. So yeah, we'll see how the next one goes, but I'm hoping it'll be a good one. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.